Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a really easy but very delicious recipe using my Tefal ActiFry. Now I've been using this machine for about a year and I absolutely love it. It has smart automatic cooking settings, it's big enough to feed the entire family, and of course it makes incredible tasting dishes with just a fraction of the fat used in normal cooking. So earlier today I spun the gear of goodness and it landed on number 1, which means the recipe I'm making today is healthy, it's hearty, it's so easy to make. It's Parmesan courgette sticks. This recipe can be found in the ActiFry app. It's completely free, it contains hundreds of recipes with step-by-step instructions and photos too. It also has Acti programs to help you live a healthier and more active lifestyle. Okay, so on with the recipe. This is the first step. We need 1 courgette, we're going to chop the ends off, leave the skin on, and then we're going to chop them into sticks about 4 to 5 centimeters in length. We're then going to prepare all the ingredients for the coating on these courgette sticks. First of all, we need 2 eggs, which we're going to crack into a bowl, whisk them lightly with a fork. You can add a little salt and pepper at this stage if you like too. Into another bowl then we've got breadcrumbs, so these are dry golden breadcrumbs, and also some freshly grated Parmesan, and just mix that up roughly with your hands. And then lastly we need some plain flour, which we're going to put into a sandwich bag. So that's all the ingredients prepped. Next step is to actually get the courgette sticks dipped and coated and ready to cook. So add the courgette sticks into the bag with the flour, give it a good shake about, mix it about so they're all nicely coated. Then we're going to take 1 stick at a time, dip it in the egg, make sure it's fully coated in that egg mixture, and then we're going to transfer it into the bowl with the breadcrumbs and Parmesan, and again make sure it's fully coated. When that's done, just put it to the side, and then we're going to repeat that step with all the courgette sticks. Once they're done, they're ready to be cooked. So take your ActiFry machine, open it up. We're going to remove the paddle in the middle. We don't need that for this recipe. And then we're going to add the sticks in, just space them kind of nicely and evenly into the bowl of the ActiFry. We then need a little oil. You can either brush it on or just gently pour it onto the Parmesan strips. Then close the lid and it's ready to cook. So we're going to cook this at mode 2 for 10 minutes. And that's it. We just leave our courgette sticks to cook for 10 minutes. There's no need to turn them at all. They will cook perfectly evenly and perfectly in the ActiFry machine. Once fully cooked, you can serve them straight away, and I like to serve them with a little creme fraiche dip with some chives. They're delicious as a starter, a snack, or even a light lunch. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. I'll also leave a link to my blog post where I talk more about the recipe, and you can also learn more about the ActiFry machine and the ActiFry app as well. And I'll see you next time.